This week in Numeracy, we're going to be looking at shapes again. Your task this week is called the Shape Detective task. You're going to be finding 2D and 3D shapes in pictures of Scottish landmarks. Your task is to look for 2D and 3D shapes in these pictures of Scottish landmarks. See how many different shapes you can spot. Use the shape sheet to remind you of what shapes there are. The shapes don't have to fit exactly. They just have to be roughly the same shape as shapes that you can see in the object. Draw the shapes on the pictures and then write a list of which shapes you found in the box below. If you don't have a printer, you could just write a list on a piece of paper of the shapes that you've found. If you find more than one of each type of shape, you could use tally marks to show how many you've found. Here's an example that I did on a picture of the Royal Yacht Britannia. I found a triangle in the shape of one of the flags. I found a cylinder for the funnel in the middle of the ship. I found a trapezium shape in the bottom. And as you can see, it's not exactly the same shape as in the photo, but it's roughly the same. I also found a rectangle as one of the flags. You might be able to spot even more in this picture. Here's a picture of the shape sheet. This should help remind you of what some of the shapes are that you could look for when you're looking for your shapes in the landmarks.